days later. 4, maybe, whatever. Anyways, we're about to tackle this bathroom closet. There is some organization in here. It's just not aesthetically pleasing. And now that I am BerryFae Aesthetics, I need to clean this thing out and make it really nice and pretty. I also need to go to the store and buy some refills on toilet paper and paper towels and all that, but I'll probably do that tomorrow. But for the most part, we're gonna go ahead and tackle this. So let's get started. I do have those baskets that I purchased from at home that are still in here. I just didn't take them out yet because I needed a mental break. I was supposed to edit like 3 videos this week and I didn't do not one of them because I needed a mental break, okay? So let's go ahead and do this. So let's go ahead. So we'll do the 2 there. We'll do the big one up here. Looks cute already. Oh, I need to figure out everything. So I'll probably put toilet paper in here, tissues in here. I have a few more toilet paper rolls, so at least I'll have enough to finish off the video. But I want it to be full, so I might actually just run to the store. I don't like that. I want to put them this way. Put them sideways. So here are my cleaning supplies. Now I'm not sure if I want to do my cleaning supplies there or something else. Okay, so we have window cleaner, my bleach. I love this thing so much. My Kaboom. Kaboom. Okay, now I need to figure out this stuff here. I have some Epsom salt. I'm gonna put that under the sink because there's really no reason for it right there. Nobody comes down here anyways, so. All right, you guys, so this is what we have so far. I obviously need to get more paper towels, toilet paper. That is okay. And I need to figure out what I'm gonna do right here because I have a few things still left, like my reusable bags. I'm just gonna put it down here, but I'm gonna get rid of these 2 bins. I'm gonna get rid of those 2 because they're just worn out and old. I'm gonna get rid of those very soon. I'm gonna get rid of those as well very soon. I'll probably go to at home and get the bigger ones and put them down here. We're gonna see. So on to the next clip. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. So we're gonna go ahead and finish off organizing the entire kitchen. I'm trying to get it all done before the weekend. Today is Thursday. There's no school today. It's a Jewish holiday. So we're just gonna finish up cleaning up. I have a lot of stuff to edit, but I'm just gonna take the time to finish up this kitchen. It's just not ideally organized for me, for my liking. So I'm gonna try to tackle that right now. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna do it just yet, but I do have these guys here that are left in from that box. It's to basically maximize the space. I just don't know if it's too high. So it's supposed to go like over and then you put some stuff on top. So I might try that. I am about to blow dry my hair because can't really do nothing with it when it's like this. I tried to air dry it and just wear it out for a few days. It's just not giving what I wanted it to. So we are going to blow dry it, and I'm gonna trim it actually. I need to trim the ends. I haven't trimmed my hair in a few months, so yeah, we're gonna do that. All right, so I have my heat protectant. This is from Art of Beauty, the only hair care products I use on my natural hair. This is the Composure Thermal Spray. You spray this on your hair prior to putting heat, flat iron, blow dryer. And then I'm gonna put some serum, also from Art of Beauty. You can save some money if you click my link down below. Update on the piece of hair that I cut. Here it is, here it is. One thing I don't like about hair vitamins, everywhere else grows as well. If you know what I mean. Armpits, legs, everything grows when you take hair vitamins. So you shave, you'll be shaving even more. I'm actually considering laser hair removal, you guys. I think I'm gonna pull the plug on it because I really despise shaving, and I don't like using Nair. Nair burns and just like, well, it's not really healthy for you. My wax lady hates when I use it, but I'm kind of tired of waxing too, honestly. Like, it's just a lot. I'd rather try something that's a little bit more long lasting. See now, because look at this part right here. I cut it twice because this is a part way up here and the other one I just showed you guys was back there. So I cut it twice, y'all. Look at that. It's a piece right here. All done. The big reveal. Oh, feels healthy. Let's see. Look at that. That'd be such a cute little twisted out if I did him for real. Ooh. I'm about to go take a picture. Nails on. This is all the hair. Not that much actually. That's a little bit of hair for a trim. Put this one on and take a picture. Yes, ma'am. Okay, let's go. So I actually have this little thing. It's like a sunset light that I picked up from Burlington, and it's crazy. The day that I got it, like 2 hours prior, this light on TikTok as well. So we're gonna test this out. This thing already look broke. All right, so this is what it looks like, you guys. It comes with this little bulb thing, and we're about to test it out. I'm about to plug it up. They said the further away. Now, why do people do that? They give you the USB thing, but no actual thing to plug it. They do that every single time now. What's their problem? These companies make it seem like it's so hard just to give a little tiny little thing. Stupid. All right, so I plugged it in. Here I am. I plugged it in. Let's see what it looks like. Oh. Okay. See the vibe. That's what it looks like. So there's a little sunset view. I'm gonna play around with it. I don't think I'm gonna use it today because it doesn't go with the vibe if I had like a cute little dress on, but that's what it looks like. I got it from Burlington. I seen it on TikTok literally the other day. I think you're supposed to use it in the dark, honestly. So I'll try that another time, but there's the orange cast that it gives off, but I am gonna try it. I think I'm gonna like it if I do it right. This is what the box looks like. This was $17. Girl, they should have been $7.99, but it's all right. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my office. Anywho, in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and take just this quick update natural hair picture because I haven't done a picture like this in a while.